Hey, Cafe Bird. Ah, Maria.
Hi.
Would you care to dine at the Cafe Bird?
The what?
Well, you see, I'm making believe that I have my own restaurant, and this is it, Cafe Bird.
Oh, well, that's very nice, Big Bird, but I can't. I have to deliver this radio to Mrs. Polinsky. I promised her.
Oh, but Maria, look. Look, I even set up a chair and table here. Look. Yeah, I've got the napkins and silverware and plates.
Well, that's really wonderful. It looks like you've planned beautifully, but I still have to deliver this radio to Mrs. Polinsky. She's waiting for it.
But look, at my cafe, you can eat outdoors. See, this is the outdoor table. Or you can sit indoors. Come on, follow me and I'll show you. Here. Come on. Ta-da! See?
Yeah.
I'm making believe that this is indoors, so you can sit any place you like.
Big Bird, this is wonderful, and I wish I can stay here and play with you, but I really can't. I have to deliver this radio to Mrs. Polinsky. I promised her.
Okay, I understand. I'm sorry I bothered you.
Well, I suppose I can stay for a few minutes.
Oh, yeah? Okay, have a seat.
Okay, where's the food?
The food?
Yeah, the food. This is a restaurant. Restaurants have food.
Oh, well, of course, sure. We have food. Not right now, but soon. See, we haven't really opened yet. I mean, the cook is late. And, gee, don't you have something to deliver? I mean, you promised, after all.
Okay, Big Bird, here I am. Open for business?
Yes, Maria, I'm all ready for you now.
Okay.
My restaurant game is still going, and we're open for lunch.
Well, what should I do?
Now, just follow me, please. Look out for this door. It's awfully low. I thought I'd recommend the indoor table.
Oh,
Just sit down, make yourself comfy.
all right. So, what's for lunch?
Just read the menu.
Oh, a menu. Tuna fish? This is the only thing, tuna fish?
Right, and a good choice it is. Coming right up. Here we are.
Ah, thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Hey, Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird.
Yes?
I kind of like this game you're playing, so I'd like to play along. Okay?
You do?
I'll just sit right here. No trouble. I'll just sit right here. Now, let's see. What have you got for lunch? Oh, wow. Tuna fish. That's it. Tuna fish. Okay, I'll have a tuna fish sandwich.
But,
Yeah, tuna fish sandwich.
sure.
Okay.
Coming right up.
Right.
Maria.
Huh?
Say, before you eat that sandwich, could I borrow it a second?
What for?
Well, I need it. It's important.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks
Here you
great,
are.
doesn't it? Looks wonderful. Thanks.
Okay.
Big Bird, where's my sandwich?
Oh, how could I forget? I'll be right back. David.
Huh?
David,
What?
could I borrow that sandwich back again for a minute?
Why? Is there something wrong with it?
No, it's fine. Thank you. Excuse
Okay.
me. Here we go.
Okay, good.
Hey,
Thank you.
Big Bird.
Excuse me. Here your sandwich, sir.
Well, thank you very much.
Wait a minute, Big Bird, what's going on? What are you doing?
Well, you see, I only have one tuna fish sandwich in my cafe, and when the two of you came along and you both wanted, well, I didn't know what to do.
Well, Big Bird, you kind of had the right idea. I mean, we could share the sandwich, but there's an easier way to do it.
There is?
Yeah, Big Bird, sometimes when people want the same thing, one person can take half of it.
And the other person takes the other half.
Ah,
Come on, Maria. Let's have some lunch.
Yes.
There's a little table back here. I know you'll like.
Thank you.
Well, that problem is solved. Phew.
Hey, Pájaro.
Hi,
What are you
Luis.
doing, huh? Oh, don't tell me. You're playing restaurant, right?
Yeah,
Hey, listen, I love that game. I'll play along.
Oh, but
Okay, let's see now. What'll I have? I'll have the tuna fish sandwich.